everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show exactly how to upload files in ChatGPT. So this is super useful if you want ChatGPT to summarize documents, analyze images, or even help with your files. Let's get started. So first, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all features, including file uploads. So once you're inside, click on New Chat. So it's at the left side, so tap on that. Now, this helps keep your conversation organized and makes it easier for ChatGPT to focus on your uploaded file. Now, go to the message box at the bottom of the screen. Look for a paperclip icon or sometimes a plus button depending on your device. So, this is the button you'll use to upload files. So, mine right here is plus, so just click on that. Now, once you tap on the plus icon, tap on Add Photos and Files, and your file manager will open. From here, select the file you want to upload. So you can upload different types of files like PDF documents, Word files, images like screenshots or photos, text files, etc. Once you select your file, it will be attached to your message automatically. Now, before sending, it's important to tell ChatGPT what you want to do with the file. For example, you can type summarize this PDF, extract key points from this document, explain what's in this image, something like that. So the clearer your instruction, the better the result. So I'm just going to type in summarize this PDF. Then I'm going to press enter to send the file. So click on this R right here, or you can just tap on enter. Now ChatGPT will upload and process it. It will usually take just a few seconds depending on the size. So as you can see, ChatGPT is working on it and it's done. So basically it's so fast. And just some quick tips: make sure your file is clear and not corrupted, avoid very large files for faster responses, and be specific with your prompts for better answers. So I said summarize this PDF. So here's a clear, quick summary of your document. So update all your drivers, check sound settings, update Windows, restart your computer, run audio troubleshooter, etc. So if you want, I can turn this into a YouTube script, SEO description, or checklist version. Just say. So you can add prompts in here and just tell ChatGPT what you want. And that's basically it. That's how you can upload files in ChatGPT step by step. If this helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.